Hi friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. My friend Mindy had an online Pampered chef party on Facebook and I ordered a few things. It took a little while to come because of, COVID, but I'm very excited to show you these items. I already took them out of their packages and threw the plastic away so I can more easily show you what I got. Let's check it out. I got a child size teal spatula. This is my favorite color and this will be a lot of fun when my kids are helping me bake cookies. I got a can strainer, which will definitely come in handy whenever we have like vegetables and things that we just want to strain all of the liquid out of. This will be real easy just to put on the top of the can and strain it out. We eat canned pineapple a lot and I like drinking the juice, so that'll be easy to strain it out into a cup. I got some wooden toaster tongs. How many times do you try to get something out of the toaster and you end up burning yourself, or you have to unplug it so that you can use something plastic that you could melt trying to get it out? These are wooden toaster tongs. They're small. You can easily get things safely out of your toaster that are stuck down in there. Mindy highly recommended this. This is going to be real good for cooking meat, especially ground beef or ground turkey. This is a mix and chop, and it helps chop and mix up anything you want to mash up. You could use this for mashed potatoes probably too, but anything that you want to kind of chop it and mix it up. So it's firm, and she said it's real good for cooking ground beef with. Next, I got, on sale since it's not Christmas time, cookie cutters. These are real fun for cookies, and they're also fun for playing with Play-Doh, so my kids are going to love these. They also stay together, so it's cool because you don't lose them in the drawer, right? Let's look at what shapes we have. We have a penguin and a reindeer. I love this one. It's a polar bear. A silly elf. A happy face with a hat. Oh, I love this one. A snowman. And a gingerbread cookie. As you can see, I didn't spend very much, but I supported a friend and I got some awesome items you'll be seeing in future cooking videos on my channel. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.